The opening ceremony of the 19th Asian Games was held Saturday night in Hangzhou, East China's Zhejiang province. The 2-hour ceremony showcased an ancient history of Hangzhou through digital innovation, leaving a deep impression on foreign media workers.
Seeing the crowd in the stadium, the amount of rapturous welcome they gave, that itself shows that, how important it is, these games is to the Chinese public. It kind of reminded me of how Beijing 2008 was done. I was watching it on the television and, marveling at every move that was done by the organizers.
I think during the first chapter, like on the water, and then they have like the boat, and then like, I think it's very classic, it's very traditional. I love it, yeah. It's very refreshing, and also I think it's very good that you guys try to balance the modern and the traditional one and combine together. It's very amazing, yeah.
Yeah, I think it is a good message. So because Chinese people, Chinese life is based now on nature, between relationship with nature and human being. So I see most of the things are linked with the nature and the environment, with the people.
The ceremony was amazing, very, very amazing. And it's like the slogan, heart by heart at future. This is the slogan of the Asian Games. I feel this is the future here. And it was very amazing experience for me.